Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we delve into IPTV panels, guiding you to the best provider 2TV.store. Contact Nancy via the link in description for fantastic support. Starting with the basics, IPTV stands for Internet Protocol Television. Unlike traditional methods, IPTV delivers content over internet networks, providing flexibility and varied viewing options. So, what exactly is an IPTV panel? Think of it as the command center, managing channels, user access, and ensuring streams are delivered smoothly and efficiently. What makes 2TV.store stand out? They offer reliable service, easy setup, and excellent customer support with Nancy ready to assist you with all your concerns. When selecting an IPTV panel, consider the quality of channels, ease of use, and supported devices. It's crucial for a seamless and enjoyable viewing experience. In conclusion, mastering IPTV panels opens up endless entertainment possibilities. Dive in, explore, and transform your viewing experience with the expert help of 2TV.store.